Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Revealing links between education and a good diet. Educational status appears to have positive influence on a healthy diet, particularly in low-income countries, according to new research examining European nutritional data. Using national data on 27,334 individuals from 12 European countries, researchers at the University of Leeds, in collaboration with WHO, examined the interactions between socioeconomic status, education, and diet. Their study, published in PLOS One, shows for the first time that higher education status appeared to have a mitigating effect on poorer diet in lower-income European countries. As individual education level increased, so did nutritional intake encouraged as part of a healthy diet, particularly iron and total folate. The findings highlight the need for strong policies supporting good nutrition, prioritizing lower educational groups. Poor diet and malnutrition linked to non-communicable diseases such as obesity, hypertension, and cardiovascular disease presents major health problems across Europe. In 2018, 59% of adults in the WHO European region were overweight or obese, and non-communicable diseases are the leading cause of death, disease, and disability in the region. The World Health Organization encourages countries to conduct national diet surveys to gather data to inform public health policies to prevent such diseases. This work is the first to combine national diet survey data from WHO European member states spanning all regions of Europe. It provides the largest representative diet survey dataset across whole Europe, providing an important source of evidence on which to base policy. Lead author Dr. Holly Rippon began this research while a postgraduate researcher in the School of Food Science and Nutrition at Leeds. She is now a WHO consultant. She said, "Our study shows that national income and diet quality appear to be linked, and education could protect against some of the long-term negative effects of poor nutrition on population health. Strategies supporting education in lower education groups and lower income countries could be effective in improving nutrition, particularly in disadvantaged groups." Co-author Janet Caird, professor of nutritional epidemiology and public health at Leeds, said, "This was a great collaborative effort between 12 European countries. We hope that policymakers across Europe will use this information to inform their nutrition policies in the future and prioritize these vulnerable groups." Inequalities in education and income are associated with poorer diet. This analysis does not imply only on European countries, but overall all the countries in the world. So this study of WHO with European countries shows all the countries that how the education and poor diet are linked to each other. A good educational status appears to have positive influence on a healthy diet. So it is important to understand this study for all us.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.